Hey everybody, this is Ian with A&E Guns. Today we're going to be checking out an extended mag for Glock 19 from SGM Tactical, 33 round. So we're going to see how it functions and if it actually functions well enough to cycle each one. So let's go to the range and shoot it. So I'm going to see if it racks one in perfectly fine, and then I'm going to mag dump it. So let's do it. Yep, we're good. Do it. Empty. Went fine. Do it again. So obviously you saw in the video it functioned fine, so that's good. I think it was well worth 20 bucks. I got on cheaper than dirt, and this is just a little over 20 bucks, maybe 21 maybe, but yeah, it was pretty good. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about it, just comment in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.